What if I told you, the next $1 million product wasn't made by a person, but by AI? Today we're going to let AI create a product that could take the world by storm. AI, humanity's new inventor.
The traditional scheme of handover of goods from seller to purchaser looks like this.
I gave the AI a simple command: create a viral product that millions will love and share. No limits, no rules, just pure creativity from artificial intelligence. AI doesn't just learn from data, it watches emotions, behaviors, and trends. From millions of pieces of information, AI starts to draw its first design, a product with a soul that spreads. It figures out what makes people feel things: wonder, laughter, surprise, connection. It looks at video speed, lighting, and how things are put together. The science of what looks good. AI connects the dots: sustainable materials, how things feel to touch, popular colors. It runs thousands of tests, trying and getting rid of ideas every second. It checks every idea against market and production information. A silent storm of ideas, as fast as lightning inside the machine. AI asks itself, what's the simplest shape? How can I show its purpose with the fewest lines? It tries materials: matte black, clear, futuristic blue neon accents. It adds interactive light effects and digital particles. Every choice is based on data: how it feels in your hand, where the buttons are, the lighting. It's not just designing a device, but the story that will be told about it. People smiling, laughing, and sharing their experiences. You know, everything starts to feel like it was meant to be. And here's the result: a design that brings together art, technology, and feelings. It's not just pretty, it can also spread like wildfire. Every angle, every reflection, every shadow is just right. A delicate pearl-like surface, shimmering edges. It picks up and shows the sounds around it as a dynamic, colorful light show. When you talk, it swirls with colors. When music plays, it dances to the beat. The light patterns are made to look amazing on phone cameras. No flickering, vibrant colors. One tap to connect and share your moments on social media instantly. No complex instructions needed. The magic is clear. AI even created the launch video, catchy GIFs, and product photos. From quiet moments to parties or creative sessions, it fits every setting. Not for anyone special, it's for anyone who wants a little magic in their everyday life. A perfect storm of looks, feelings, and viral potential, ready to launch. The launch was simple: an AI-made video and a link to the product website. posted on major social media platforms without any paid ads. The reaction wasn't slow, it was instant and explosive. Within the first hour, views started to grow very quickly. The first wave came from the tech community, the design community. Then it broke through. Artists, musicians, everyday users all shared it. The comments section became a battlefield of ideas and emotions. Thousands of comments poured in. Its visual appeal was undeniable. Along with excitement came debate. Magical or scary? Reaction videos and analysis pieces appeared. The debate fueled the fire. Buyers posted their own videos, children's laughter, song beats, rain sounds, each post like a new ad. The product went beyond its function, becoming a symbol of our time, captivating and a little bit scary. AI isn't here to replace people, but to make our imagination bigger. When you work with AI, you're not just making a product, you're building the future. People are the conductors, asking the right questions, setting the goals, sticking to the rules. AI brings the power of data and speed. People bring the reason, emotion, and purpose. Success sends a message. Groundbreaking ideas are no longer just for big companies. Who do you think the next viral product will come from? People or AI itself? Follow the AI KMTN channel to explore the power of creativity and making money with artificial intelligence.